In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube error code on both iPhone and Android devices. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. For the Android devices, long press and hold on the YouTube app. You're going to get the option of app info, click on that. Now click on the option clear cache and do that. For the iPhone device, you'll need to launch settings. Now navigate to the option general. Then head over to the option iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find YouTube and launch it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app and confirm it. Wait for a few minutes and then click on Reinstall app. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check if you're connected to any VPN. If you're connected to any VPN, you'll need to disconnect to it. This might resolve the issue. Next thing you want to do is next up, check the server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website like Town Detector. Search for YouTube. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be solved from their end. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete YouTube from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the YouTube app. Click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Then launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app YouTube and then reinstall it. Likewise, check the internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Likewise, make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. And that's it. These are some fixes for the issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.